Let us start the revision of chapter 2. Okay. So in form of exercises, we'll be discussing the chapter. We'll be revising each concept again. Okay. So pay attention very carefully. And if you have any doubt, you can raise your hand. I will unmute you, right? So let us start with the MCQs. Another name of primary memory is. Yes, Gurshan, unmute yourself and answer this question.
Sir, internal memory.
Internal, beta, first of all, read all the options. Okay, don't at once give the answer. First, read the options. Beta, please put your hand down. I will unmute myself. I will select the child myself and only he or she will answer. So all of you, please put your hands down. Yes, Gurshan, unmute yourself, beta, and read the options carefully, then give the answer. Gurshan, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, read the options carefully first.
Internal memory, main memory, both A and B, and external memory. Sir, sir, D option.
No, beta, the correct answer is both A and B. Primary memory is known by two names, internal memory and main memory. So the correct answer is C option, both A and B. Okay, moving to another MCQ. Another name of secondary memory is. Another name of secondary memory is. Yes, Prabjot, unmute. First come on the video, then unmute yourself. If you want to give the answer, come on the video. Yes, Prabjot, unmute, give the answer.
Sir, D option, both B and C.
Very right, very correct. Both B and C. Beta, secondary memory, other two names are external memory and auxiliary memory. Okay, now I have a question from the class. Differences between primary memory and secondary memory. Differences between the primary memory and secondary memory. Yes, Anshya, unmute yourself.
Primary memory is also called main memory or internal memory.
Okay,
Secondary memory is called auxiliary memory or external memory.
correct.
Prime memory is volatile in nature. Secondary memory is non-volatile.
Very correct.
Uh, pri- prime Primary memory has two types, RAM and ROM. Secondary memory has many types, like pen drive, CD, DVD, etc.
Hard disk, floppy disk.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very
Yes,
right.
sir.
Very good going. Beta,
Uh,
okay, it's fine, beta. Beta, other differences between primary memory and secondary memory can be, beta, primary memory is fast in execution as it is in direct connection with CPU. Secondary memory is not fast in execution. The storage capacity of secondary memory is large as compared to storage capacity of primary memory. Okay, clear? So in the abbreviation ASCII, letter C stands for. Yes, Jia and Janvi, unmute yourself. Jia, Janvi, unmute yourself, beta, and answer the question. Always technical problem comes. Yes, Ishan, unmute yourself. Ishan, roll number
Yes,
20.
sir.
In the abbreviation ASCII, letter C stands for. Yes, Ishan, hurry up, beta.
Sir, C option.
No, it's not C, it's B option, code. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Okay, Ishan? American
Yes, sir.
Standard Code for Information Interchange. Okay. All right. Then in the abbreviation ASCII, letter S stands for software, system, standard, signature. Beta, all of you, please put your hand down. I will unmute the child myself. Yes, Tanveen, unmute yourself.
Sir, standard.
American Standard Code. Yes, standard is the correct option. Very right, Tanya. Sorry, Tanveen. All right. Unicode stands for. Yes, Arshdeep Kaur. Bete, unmute yourself. Unicode stands for. Repeat, beta. Option
A,
A, universal code. Very right, very correct. And this is the correct way of speaking. When you are giving answers for the MCQ, first speak the correct letter, then the correct option. Very right, Arshdeep. Good. 1 kilobyte is equal to. Yes, Lavanya, unmute yourself. Lavanya, 37 roll number. Bete, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
1 kilobyte is equal to
1024 GB.
1024 GB. The
Sir,
capacity.
MB.
No, beta, it's A option, 1024 bytes. 1024 bytes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So let me revise all the units of memory once again with you people. I type here all the units of memory. Beta, bit means 0 or 1. Okay, right? Then comes 1 byte. Beta, 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. Then comes 1 kilobyte. Beta, 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes. Then comes 1 megabyte. Beta, 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobytes. Then comes 1 gigabyte. Beta, 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 megabytes. Then 1 terabyte. 1 terabyte is equal to 1024 gigabytes. Then comes 1 petabyte. Beta, 1 petabyte is equal to 1024 terabyte. Then 1 exabyte. Beta, 1 exabyte is equal to 1024 petabyte. Am I clear? So these are the units of memory. Clear? So 1 GB is equal to 1024 megabytes. B option is the correct one. Then moving to 8th MCQ, 1 petabyte is equal to 1024 terabyte. C option is the suitable option. All right. Moving to the 9th MCQ, Manyaveet, unmute yourself and answer this MCQ. Manyaveet, 38 roll number.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, beta.
Yes, sir.
Question is
A
which
option, it is volatile.
A option, it is volatile. Better read the question carefully.
Sir, all above, all above.
All
D
above.
option.
All above. All right. Which of the following statement is not true for Rome? Which of the following statement is not true for Rome? Yes, Harshit Bedi, unmute yourself. Harshit Bedi, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Harshit. 10th MCQ. Which of the following statement is not true for Rome? it is non-volatile, it is fast in execution, it is permanent in nature, it contains preloaded instructions with respect to rebooting of computer.
Sir, B.
B option, it is fast in execution. Very right, very correct. All right. 11th MCQ, which of the following is or are considered as IAS memory? Yes, Japji, unmute yourself.
Sir, C, RAM and ROM.
C option, RAM and ROM. Very right, very correct. All right. Jayant Chabra, are you here in the class? Jayant? Okay, beta, unmute yourself and tell me the full form of IAS. Be confident and try. Full form of IAS, Jayant, unmute yourself, beta. Yes, Jayant, IAS बेटे. कोशिश करो, आपको आएगा.
RAM and ROM.
बेटा IAS की full form बेटे. Immediate access storage. Okay. Jayant, is it clear? Immediate access storage. Clear, Jayant?
Okay, sir. Oh, sir, yes.
Okay. Next. 18 roll number Harshita, unmute yourself, beta. Harshita, 18 roll number, unmute yourself, bete. Am I audible to you? Your voice is not audible to me, Harshita. Please check your mic. I think some technical problem is coming. All right. 28 roll number, Jia. Unmute yourself. Jia, 28 roll number. Unmute yourself, beta. Bete, unmute yourself.
Sir, yes. Sir, 750 MB.
750 MB. Capacity of CD, bete.
Yes, sir. 750 MB.
Yes, Manyaveet.
Sir, D option 700 MB.
It's D option 700 MB. It's D option 700 MB. Okay. I would like to ask one more question from Jia. Jia, answer one more question, beta. Unmute yourself, bete. Jia, am I audible to you? Yeah, beta, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 13th MCQ, Jia. Pick the odd one out from the given options. Hard disk, pen drive, Blu-ray disc, ROM.
ROM.
Very right, very correct, Jia. ROM. Because why it is odd one? Because first three are the types of secondary memory. Okay. And the last one is primary memory. Okay. All right. The hard disk has storage capacity of approximately 512 GB. Is it true or is it false? Is it true or is it false? Yes, Ishan, unmute yourself and tell me. Ishan, bete, unmute yourself.
Sir, false.
False. Very right, very correct, Ishan. It is false. All right. Now moving to the next MCQ. Before that, I have one question to discuss. Beta, tell me two differences between hard disk and floppy disk. Two differences between hard disk and floppy disk. Dipali, unmute yourself and try answering this question. Dipali, 8 roll number, beta unmute yourself. Dipali, am I audible, bete?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, beta. Try to tell me two differences between hard disk and floppy disk.
Sir, floppy disk was earlier used and it has storage capacity up to 1.44 MB.
Okay.
And hard disk is used nowadays and it is having its storage capacity up to 1 TB.
Okay. What else can be the difference between floppy and hard disk?
Hard disk is having rotating disks in which information or data is stored.
Beta, you can say this, that hard disk has more storage capacity as compared to floppy disk. Okay. Then hard disk is more expensive as compared to floppy disk. Clear? Then hard disk is heavy in weight because it is made up of metal plates, okay, called platters. Floppy disk is very light in weight. Okay. So moving to the 15th MCQ, pen drive is also known as light pen, USB drive, memory stick, storage stick. For this question, I would like to unmute Kanish. Unmute yourself.
Sir, B option USB drive.
B option USB drive is the correct one. Very right. All right. The device used for processing of checks in the bank. Yes, Gaurav, unmute yourself. The device used for processing of checks in the banks. Gaurav, unmute yourself. Gaurav, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what happened? Where have you gone?
I was not able to unmute myself.
Okay.
earlier.
Okay. 16th MCQ, Gaurav. The device used for processing of checks in the banks.
Sir, D option BCR.
No, beta, it's B option MICR. Magnetic ink character reader. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Gurleen Kaur, unmute yourself. Gurleen, unmute yourself. Gurleen, am I audible? Yes, Japji, unmute yourself. 24 old number, Japji, unmute yourself.
Sir, all above D.
There are three types of scanners: handheld, flatbed, drum scanner. Okay, so the answer is all above. Very right, very correct. All right. Next is, it is an example of noisy printer. It is an example of noisy printer. Yes, Ishani, unmute yourself.
Sir, A option dot matrix printer.
A option, dot matrix printer. Okay, Ishani, one more question you answer. Unmute yourself. Ishani. Bete, unmute yourself once again.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me two types of printer, Ishani. Two types of printer.
Impact printer, non-impact printer.
Very right. Ninth class, pay attention here, beta. I am typing two questions here. Name two types of printer. Next, I am saying name any two examples of printer. Okay. Beta, these two are totally different questions. When we talk about two types of printer, we mean impact and non-impact. There are two types of printers, impact printers and non-impact printers. Impact printers are noisy printers because there is direct contact of the print head with the paper. Non-impact are not noisy printers. They are silent printers as there is no mechanical contact between the print head and the paper. Now, when I say two examples of printer, here you can write any two examples. The question is silent, whether impact or non-impact. The question is regarding examples of printer. So you can give any two examples, dot matrix, then you can give laser printer, then you can give inkjet printer, thermal printer, daisy wheel printer. Okay, any two examples. I hope the concept is clear to all. Ninth class. Difference between two questions is totally clear to all of you. Only one thumb is raised. All right. In the abbreviation OLED, letter O stands for. Letter O, yes, Arshdeep Kaur, roll number 4. Unmute yourself.
Option B, organic.
Option B,
B,
organic. Very right, very correct. All right. 20th MCQ. It is another name of monitor. It is another name of monitor. Light pen, projector, VDU, touch screen. Yes, Kanish, unmute yourself. Kanish, unmute yourself.
Sir, VDU.
VDU. Another name of monitor is VDU. Very right, very correct. All right, Raghav, unmute yourself. Raghav, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
What is the full form of VDU?
Visual display unit.
Visual. All right. Am I audible, ninth? Ninth class, am I audible? All right. Now moving to all the full forms, all the possible full forms from the complete chapter. Okay. Before that, let us discuss few conceptual questions. Listen the question carefully, class. Sahil is a student of 9th class who want to scan the printed bars on the notebook. Sahil is a student of 9th class who want to scan the printed vertical bars at the backside of his notebook. Which input device he should use? Which input device he should use? Yes, Anshya, unmute yourself.
Sir, PCR barcode reader.
Barcode reader, very right, very correct. Barcode reader. All right. Kapil is a examiner in an institution who wants to check the MCQ sheet, who wants to check the multiple choice question sheet. He requires an input device for the same. As a computer expert, suggest him the suitable device. Yes, Gurshan, unmute yourself.
Sir, OCR.
OCR, no. Yes, Barbie, unmute yourself. Barbie, unmute yourself.
OMR, optical mark reader.
Very correct, very right. Optical mark reader. Optical mark reader. All right, now listen the question carefully. Dharya wants to transfer few files from his computer to his friend computer with the help of a suitable secondary storage device. As a computer expert, suggest him the suitable device by which he can transfer the files. Yes, Prabjot, unmute yourself.
Sir, pen drive.
Very right, very correct, pen drive. What can be other option apart from pen drive? Yes, Prabjot. Yes, Prabjot, unmute yourself. Prabjot, am I audible to you? Unmute yourself.
Sir, baki.
Think about any other secondary storage device which can help to transfer the files, beta.
Sir, CD.
CD. Okay. My next question is, one difference between monitor and printer. One difference between monitor and printer. Yes, this time I want Dharya to answer the question. Yes, Dharya, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
One
Sir,
difference.
monitor is used to. Yes. Sir, monitor displays is used for displaying the computer desktop and icons.
Try,
Sir,
beta, try. I know you have the knowledge. You just need to express it.
Yes, sir. Sir, printer is used for print.
Beta, monitor is used to display the soft copy of the output. Printer is used to print the hard copy of the output. Okay. Okay.
Sir,
Very
thoda
right.
sir.
Very right. Very correct. All right. Next, Tanveen, unmute yourself. Tanveen, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Beta, name two types of plotter.
Sir, pen plotter, photo plotter.
Pen plotter and photo plotter. Very right. Very correct. Yes, Harshit Bedi, unmute yourself. Harshit Bedi, unmute yourself. Harshit, am I audible to you? Bete, unmute yourself. All right, Anshya, unmute yourself. Anshya, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me the full form of first three terms which I have shaded.
Sir, Americans.
Harshit Bedi, by the time you try to set your mic, Next is your turn.
Sir, American Standard Code for Information Interchange, Universal Code, and kilobytes.
Very right, very correct. All right, Harshit Bedi, I hope you have corrected your problem. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now it's correct. Next three terms, Harshit.
Sir, MB megabyte,
Yes,
GB gigabyte,
yes,
TB terabyte.
very right. Wait, don't mute yourself. Next
Yes.
three, Harshit. Next two. G and H part.
G.
PB,
Sir, PB petabyte,
EB.
EB
Yes, EB.
exabyte.
Exabyte. Very right, very correct.